Well, this is Casey. Hello. This is Hayling Island Sailing Club in October, and we have Ollie over here.
Hello.
Jenny in the middle.
Hello.
And well, me. So a couple of craft behind us we're going to take for a spin today. Hope to get down to Emsworth, and it's looking chill. The big question is, well, can you SUP a windsurf board? I know that's been on everyone's mind. So I've got my biggest craft, the Phantom behind us there.
The mothership.
Yeah, the mothership, exactly.
Escort vehicle.
Indeed. And you've got the trusty kayak. So quite the convoy. Let's see how we get on. Just leaving Hayling Island Sailing Club. So far, so Ollie and Jen off at a cracking pace. Very nice westerly centaur there. Decided what you want for lunch yet? A Wardorf salad. No.
Still fucking appetites, even despite our 3 sausage rolls.
3 sausage starter. There's our intrepid friends battling it out against the odds. Coming over to inspect the craft. I think they're sinking. Yeah, well, good to put those life jackets to use. Let's come and see. Let's see the craft. Oh God, yeah, actually, you do have a bit of just a little.
Women and children first.
Yeah, yeah. Right, we're off again. Take 2. Just had to abandon ship, take the kayak to Thorney Island. It was fully submerged. I think there's a hole in the bottom actually. Now we're off again. So, off to Emsworth. Off for lunch, that's the main thing.
Best kayak we've done yet. They're on display for the out bag.
The final half mile of the voyage is called up.
Coming up to the Emsworth moorings. Ollie and Jenny powering ahead, leaving me in their dust, despite the hole in the kayak. Just cruising into Emsworth. That's Emsworth Sailing Club ahead of us. And you've got the Slipper Sailing Club just around the corner. Okay. So. Club ahoy. Nice, soft landing. Jenny chilling behind. There you go, hello. Yeah, very nice.
Looks to me from an action-packed day.
Gosh, yes. Cheers! Yeah! Right, Ollie, little secret. I've been carrying this present for you. What could it possibly be? Yes, it's been underwater in your boat, in your trusty kayak. I think you'll find.
Is it a water anchor so it gets slowed down and give you a chance on the way back?
What, a drogue?
Yeah.
Some kind of weird sail.
Oh, spot on, look at, whoa, there we go. Boom. Right. trying to catch you with that secret weapon. You are actually moving.
We are moving. We're moving closer to the side.
Progress. I can see your wake. Trimming the sail. Sorry, the spinnaker. The spinnaker.
Try and calm it to
The non-asymmetric spinnaker.
water tightness before we set off. Or bring a mug.
Bring a mug, happy days.
Always need a mug. It's nearly tea time.
Just bailing out the craft.